Today, we're diving into a hot topic that affects many of us: testosterone levels. Did you know that your diet plays a crucial role in regulating testosterone? In this video, we'll explore how the foods you eat can either boost or hinder your testosterone levels. We'll also discuss a range of testosterone-boosting foods that you can easily incorporate into your meals. So, if you're looking to enhance your testosterone naturally, stick around because we have a lot to cover. Before we dive into the foods, let's take a moment to understand what testosterone actually is. Testosterone is a hormone primarily produced in the testicles in men and in smaller amounts in the ovaries in women. It's often referred to as the male hormone because it plays a vital role in developing male characteristics and maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and sexual health. But it's not just important for men. Women also need testosterone for various functions, including maintaining libido and muscle strength. Unfortunately, testosterone levels can decline with age, stress, and unhealthy lifestyle choices. But fear not. By making smarter dietary choices, you can naturally support your body's testosterone production. Now let's talk about the foods that can lower testosterone levels. Many of us enjoy these foods, but consuming them too often can negatively impact your hormonal balance. Here are some culprits to watch out for. Number 1, bread and pastries. These foods are often high in refined carbohydrates and sugars. They can cause insulin spikes, which negatively affect testosterone levels. Number 2, dairy products. While dairy can be a source of calcium, excessive consumption has been linked to hormonal disruptions. Some studies suggest that the hormones present in dairy products might interfere with your testosterone levels. Number 3, sugary desserts. High sugar intake can lead to increased insulin resistance, which can lower testosterone. Desserts laden with sugar are best enjoyed in moderation. Number 4, processed foods. Often high in trans fats and low in nutrients, these can lead to weight gain and hormonal imbalance. The key takeaway here is to limit these foods if you're looking to maintain healthy testosterone levels. But don't worry. There are plenty of delicious alternatives that can support your hormone production. Now that we know what to avoid, let's highlight the top foods that can help increase testosterone naturally. Incorporating these into your diet can make a significant difference. Number 1, oysters. Oysters are famously known for their high zinc content, which is crucial for testosterone production. Just a handful of oysters can provide more than the daily recommended intake of zinc. This mineral not only supports testosterone levels but also plays a role in improving sexual health. Number 2, garlic. Garlic isn't just great for flavoring your dishes, it also helps support blood flow and reduces cortisol levels, which can be detrimental to testosterone. The sulfur compounds in garlic enhance nitric oxide production, promoting better blood circulation. Number 3, pomegranate. This vibrant fruit is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to boost nitric oxide levels while lowering estrogen. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been linked to improved testosterone levels. Number 4, ginger. Ginger is not just a spice but a powerhouse of health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory properties and can boost luteinizing hormone levels, which signals the body to produce testosterone. Number 5, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for testosterone production and overall hormonal balance. Aim to include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week. Number 6, onions. Onions contain a unique blend of antioxidants that help increase testosterone levels. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be added to a variety of dishes. Number 7, beets. Rich in dietary nitrates, beets can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. This enhanced circulation can support testosterone production. Number 8. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in magnesium, which has been linked to higher testosterone levels. Incorporating these greens into your diet can have a significant impact on your hormonal health. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamin D. The cholesterol found in egg yolks is also a precursor for testosterone production, making them a perfect addition to your breakfast. Number 10. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. They help reduce inflammation and improve overall health, which can indirectly boost testosterone levels. Number 11. Cocoa-based products. Dark chocolate and other cocoa-based products are rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve testosterone levels. Just be mindful of the sugar content in some chocolate products. Number 12. Nuts and seeds. Nuts like almonds and walnuts, as well as seeds like pumpkin and sunflower seeds, are rich in healthy fats and nutrients that support testosterone production. They also make for a great snack. While diet is crucial, other lifestyle factors also play a significant role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Here are a few key elements to consider. Exercise regularly. Lifting weights and engaging in high-intensity interval training can boost testosterone levels significantly. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous activity each week. Get enough sleep. Sleep is often overlooked but is vital for hormonal balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep can lead to decreased testosterone levels, making it crucial to prioritize rest. Reduce body fat. Excess body fat can contribute to lower testosterone levels. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise to maintain a healthy body composition. Manage stress. Chronic stress leads to elevated cortisol levels, which can negatively impact testosterone. Incorporate stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga into your routine. We've covered a lot of ground today. By being mindful of your diet and incorporating testosterone-boosting foods into your meals, along with healthy lifestyle practices, you can naturally enhance your testosterone levels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What testosterone-boosting foods do you love? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.